Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So to start off this makeup, I'll be using this Pink Foundry UV Light moisturizer. So this is a very lightweight moisturizer, so almost a thin layer of it. So the next step would be my using a Cetaphil moisturizers because I need that double moisturizing layer on my skin. So the most important step of this clean makeup look is spraying my face with this MAC setting spray and let it dry or massage it into my skin. This will look flawless and glowing, and this is the trick that I use for this clean makeup look. So to hide my dark circles, I use a darker concealer, a concealer that is one shade darker than my undertone or skin tone, rather than using an orange color corrector. So I'll be correcting my dark circles with this. Blend it so that it looks flawless and good. So for the next step, I'll be using a very little foundations, and this is my favorite Fit Me lightweight everyday foundation. So I'll just place some dots all over my face, not using that much but a little, that would no cover my face. And I prefer using my hands to blend the foundation into my skin rather than a blender or a brush, and the finish is to die for. This is the best thing that I do for a clean makeup look. The warmth of your hands fingers will blend it seamlessly. So for the next step, that is to cover it all my dark circles, and for overall clean look I'll be using this elegant pure beige concealer. So this is to seamlessly cover and even tone my skin. So for my brows, I'll be using this elf brow gel. This is a very good brownish, dark brownish color brow gel that looks flawless and holds my brows for a very long time. So you can use your pencil or whatever you like, but I like to use this one for everyday clean model look. So for my eyeshadow, I'll be using this a white beige transition shade because I like that even tone rather than the brown tones for everyday clean makeup look. So for the minimal look, I'll be using this brown eyeliner. I would recommend using a brown eyeliner rather than a black because it gives a very minimal and soft look, and blending it that with my finger so that it looks seamlessly blended. So the next I'll be taking that light brown shade and blend it all over my eyelid so that it looks even and well blended. And for my eyelashes, I'm using this Essence False Lashes. This gives a very good falsies look. So I prefer applying my mascara only on the outer eyelashes, so that gives a very cat eye look. So only on the outer lashes and not towards inwards or to the lower lashes. So I only apply to the outer lashes, giving it a very lengthening eyes. For the blush, I prefer using an orange peach blush rather than a pink blush. So firstly, I go with this orange lipsticks as a base for my blush, and to top it off I use this cream blush from Bodyography to give that pinky peach fresh look, that flush cheek look. To set my face and my under eyes and the parts that are shining, I use a compact powder only with my fingers and set the areas that I only needed to. I don't use any brush for that. It gives me a very sleek, clean look rather than looking like a powdery face. And then using a very light contour to chisel out my face and give out that sharp look. So I use that. You can use this as a blush also. And for that natural pinky glow, I use this MAC Strobe cream on the high points of my face or wherever I want my face to shine and look fresh, youthful and glowing at the same time. And for my lips, I prefer using a brown lip liner and an orange or a light pinky lip shade to give that natural pink lips. So I line my lips with this brown and fill it, and then use a pink or an orange lipstick in between these, and also top it off with a very light pink lipstick, and it looks amazing with this makeup. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope that you really like this clean makeup look. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.